to make a mind movie, the first thing you need to do is to write out 10 to 15 positive affirmations you can use later on in your movie. Then go to Google and click images on the front page. And when you get there, we're going to search on weight loss. And we'll go for weight loss motivation. This will open up and there'll be a whole range of photos to choose from. So choose the one you want and just double click on it. And when it opens up on the top left hand side, just double click again. And then save the picture as. And I've got a folder called Mind Movie. I'm going to save it in that folder for use later. I've also saved a couple of other photos that I'm also going to use. The next thing we're going to use is some music. So I'm going to a site called freeplaymusic.com, and as it suggests, it's all free to use. And I'm looking for some motivational music, so I'll click on motivational. This will open up to a range of songs to choose from. I've already selected my song, but I'll show you how you can go in and choose the song you want by listening to a preview first, and if you like it, then save the MP3. I'll just save that, and once again in the Mind Movie file. Once that's completed, we'll then go on to the next step, which is opening a PowerPoint presentation. So open this up, and we're going to choose a design from up the top just to take away the plainness. We'll just pick one of these templates to use. And we'll choose this one. From here it's very easy to just add a title, calling it whatever you like. I'm just being very brief with my title and subtitle. It's more or less to give you an idea of how to do it. Once you're finished with the opening title, you then click on New Slide and then click to add another title. I'm just calling this affirmation just as an example, and I'll just put a one-sentence affirmation in there. Now once this is completed, it's time to save this file. So go up to File and Save As. Once again into, it's a PowerPoint presentation. And I'm saving that in my Mind Movie folder. And once you've got that clicked on, then click on the bottom arrow and we're going to look for the JPEG, because it's much easier to load these into your Mind Movie once it's completed. So just click and save that. Right, now from here we're going to put it all together and make our Mind Movie. So just go to Start and Windows Movie Maker. This will open up and then we can start loading on all the different parts of our movie. If you have a leftover project there, just delete the pictures that are there already. And now we're going to upload our pictures. It's very easy to do. You just select, go into your Mind Movie folder, select the pictures you're going to use. In this case, I'm going to use 3. And then import, and they'll be added to your collections. Next, we're going to upload the PowerPoint slides. So there's 2 of those, so we just import those as well. And last but not least, we're going to upload the audio file. Just import that as well, and now everything is in our collections. From here you can start, just click and drag down into the storyboard below. You can either start with a title, a main title, or you may decide to start with a picture. It really doesn't matter. You can, once you've got it all on the storyboard, you can change it later if you're not happy with the setup. So just put the last couple of pictures on here, and from there we're going to add the audio. So you need to get the timeline right at the very beginning, then click on the audio, drag it down and drag it right across so that it starts from the very beginning. And from here you can play your video and it'll show you exactly how it will change from picture to picture, all the while having the audio playing in the background. Now, just to jazz it up a little bit, we're going to put some transitions in between the photos, and we might use this checkerboard design for this purpose. Just drag them down to the transition panels, and in a moment I'll show you exactly how they work. It just gives your Mind movie just a little bit more of a professional look and makes it a little bit more interesting. So once that's completed, go back to the timeline and take the cursor right to the very beginning, and now start to play, and you'll be able to see how the transition comes into the movie. So there you go. That's really easy to do, and it looks great as well. Once this is all completed, it's now to save your file in a folder. So to click File and Save Project As, and I'm going to once again put this in my Mind Movie folder on my desktop, and I'm just going to put the title in there, I Feel Great, because this is the title of my movie, and save, and there you are. That's your whole movie complete, and so all you need to do now is just watch it over and over and over again.